Hi, everybody. This is Jeremy again with LegalNoggin. And today we're going to talk about how do I talk to a lawyer? Scary thing, really. No, it's not really scary if you think about it. Lawyers are just like everybody else. It doesn't hurt to have an idea of what it is that you like to talk about. You don't want to just call a lawyer up and just have a conversation and not give him any details or give her any details about what's going on with you. Usually I'll get calls about a number of different issues. I had a call today, as a matter of fact, about custody. I don't do custody. My firm doesn't do custody, but there are people in our communities, various communities, good lawyers that handle custody matters, and they're very good at what they do. So those are the individuals that you would call about a custody issue. Lawyers are just like everyone else in that they need the facts, they need information from you, and they want to help you as much as they can. You never really know if you need a lawyer sometimes until you sometimes talk with one. So you have to open up that dialogue so that you can determine whether you even need a lawyer. A good lawyer will tell you if you don't need a lawyer. So it doesn't hurt to have that conversation. A lot of times there's free consultations that you have with lawyers. Others may cost you for the consultation or charge you for the consultation. So it just depends on what type of legal matter that you're talking about. But what's really important, I think, is to write down a series of questions that you want to ask your lawyer and make sure that they're detailed enough that you can give the facts, the chronology, the dates, the times, who, what, where, when, and why. Those are very important things. And just remember that he or she is there to help you to achieve the goal. Now, a lot of times people will say, oh, lawyers, they're bloodsuckers, they're sharks, whatever. You know, everybody says that until they need a lawyer. And then they call the lawyer and they're, help me, help me, help me. So it's a good thing that we have lawyers in this country. Otherwise, some of us may struggle from time to time to get things done that need to be done. But there's different types of lawyers and different types of genres, if you will, different legal areas of practice, real estate, criminal defense. We have some great prosecutors that help us to keep our community safe. Civil litigation, where lawyers may need to do something as far as a lawsuit if there's an accident or if there's discrimination of some type. We'll get into some of that stuff as we move on in some of our other episodes here. But I really just wanted to help you to understand that it's okay. We understand, lawyers understand that you're concerned, that you might even feel a little apprehensive about calling us and having conversations, because the first thing a lot of times people think is, how much is this going to cost me? But a good lawyer will usually be willing to give you some time to discuss matters, and sometimes they'll do that for free, for a free consultation. Not all lawyers, because there's some lawyers that are like business lawyers that are handling business matters, things of that nature, other types of things. So that's very important to remember. Don't be afraid to call your local counsel, your local attorney, have a conversation, and see if they can help you. All right, well, that's been this episode of Legal Noggin. Thanks for checking in with us, and we hope that you'll subscribe to our channel, because we got some really interesting topics coming up, transgender bathrooms and those types of things that we're hearing a lot about today. We're going to be getting into some of that starting next week, so we hope you'll get back with us. Thanks for contacting us. Thanks for checking in with us today at Legal Noggin.